Hi everybody, it's Terry here. I just wanted to give you a few updates for August, and this won't take very long, but I thought I would do it in a video instead of making a big long list in a post. So the first thing that I want to do is I want to thank all the Christmas collaborators, Christmas in July 2023, and instead of reading all their names out loud, I'm going to put their names right here. Whoops. And that way you can see them and read them. Whoops. Doing this backwards in the camera is not quite as easy as I thought it would be. Okay. So there were a total of at least 173 videos for you to watch, which I think is amazing. I think everyone did a great job. And once again, I would like to thank them. Now, the drawing that we had on the 1st was a big success. We had 315 entries, which is the largest drawing that we've ever had. We had all the prizes were claimed, all 8 prizes, and so that was wonderful. That's the first time that's happened, that the people that entered actually watched the video and claimed their prizes. Sometimes it happens that people forget to watch the drawing video and they win and they don't even know. So this time we had success with everybody knowing. The next thing is that I'm taking August off. I have 700 and something videos and I'm getting a little tired. So I'm going to take August off. However, I do have a great project for you to watch, which is the Once Upon a Time journaling mini album. Now, I made this a little while ago and I've got the videos. I had them on hold or whatever. And there's 15 of them, so that will take up the whole month of August, and I think the first week of September, because of the fact that I'm only going to publish them on Monday, Wednesday, Friday. So I'm going to take a break off of that 5 and 6 day schedule, and that is actually going to be permanent from now on. As far as most in general, I'm going to be publishing on Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Then Tuesday, Thursday, Fridays we'll have our special days in the group, which is YouTube Tuesday, Etsy Thursday, Freebie Friday, and then I think I'm going to add Sell It Saturday. And Sell It Saturday is going to be where you can post books, journals that you have for sale, stuff that you have for sale that are book and papercraft related. And of course, all sales are not in any way run by me, Sweet Pea Papers, or the Facebook group at all. It's all going to be between the buyer and the seller, and please do it on private messaging, and I would recommend doing it through PayPal so you have the ability for a resolution if there is a problem, which I don't anticipate or anything like that. So the exception to the Monday, Wednesday, Friday schedule is going to be my Line Dot Arrow Design Team project, which is usually the first or the second week of the month, and that will run as scheduled Monday through Friday for 1 week. Okay. Well, I think that's it, and it's not gonna. I told you this wasn't going to be very long, and I just want to once again thank everybody who participated. Thank you to the collaborators, and thank you to Lisa for putting on the Crafty Christmas in July 2023 huge success project. And I will see you next month if we have enough updates for videos. If not, I'll just make a quick post. All right? Well, thank you again, and bye-bye from Seattle.